What if you could build a six-figure business using just a few apps on your phone, without ads, without tech overwhelm, and without working 24/7? The power of Legacy 2.0 is that you now have a step-by-step strategy designed for everyday people to create real sustainable income in the digital world. Every day, you get a simple 3 to 5 minute action step that walks you through exactly what it takes to build a successful online business. No guesswork, no confusion, just a proven strategy that guides you to financial freedom. Imagine being able to put your phone down and still have money coming in because your business runs 24/7. That's the power of automation, and Legacy 2.0 teaches you exactly how to set it up. Michelle followed this blueprint and made 6 figures in 6 months without spending a dime on ads. She hit her first $1 million in 17 months and has now made over $4 million, all 100% profit. Legacy 2.0 doesn't just teach you how to attract daily paying customers, it shows you how to stack multiple income streams, including recurring revenue. Because if you have monthly bills, why not have monthly income? If you're ready to follow the blueprint and start building your own 6-figure business without the tech overwhelm, drop "ready" in the comments and I'll get you the details today.